Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on ULEFONE Armor 21. So first go into the settings, then find battery, and we have battery usage where you can check what app uses the most battery. Then go into battery saver and enable battery saver. Also, you can enable turn off at 90% when you're charging it. Then go back into the display and you can enable adaptive brightness or just lower the brightness level right here. Then we have dark theme, enable it. Disable highlight mode. When we go down, we have lift to wake that you can also disable. And right here we have screen timeout and shorten this time to around 1 minute. Also, from the quick settings, disable everything that you're not currently using, such as Wi-Fi, data transfer, location, and more. Go back and infinite halo. You can disable music halo and notification halo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.